record. That scared me.
It was bright. Bright flash.
That was really loud thunder.
We should be about 20 minutes till the works today.
Anything?
I didn't feel anything.
See some streaky lightning right in front of the camera. Oh wow. I'm just afraid of getting the lens wet. I don't know if I'm catching the streaky lightning or what. Plus I'm catching the screen. I think I caught something there. Oh, I think I got a good one there. Dang it. Every time I look away, it gets better.